unstable SMP, a faction called the Law has quickly risen to power, their only goal being to protect the server and serve justice to any criminals. Most recently, the Law's leader, Lettuce K, led an army of 1,000... Wendu?
It's right here, everyone. It's Wendu.
You're the man. Follow me, follow me, follow me, follow me, follow me. Yeah, whatever. Yeah, bro. Oh, Andrew.
Yeah, Bruce, I don't believe you.
5, 4...
Don't believe him.
So you're really gonna attack us with 40 lawman guards? That's your perfect revenge? I know you can't kill me. Letty told you to take me in alive.
You think we can't kill you? I killed you.
I've never once... I don't fear dying. And I just can't... I'm not gonna live in a server that doesn't want me. Because my goal has always been to enforce the will of the server and what the server wants. And clearly by the looks of it, if the server doesn't want justice, makes people like Wendy, then fine.